That right there is your red-bellied woodpecker. 10 feet away from me, eating on my bird feeder. While I'm sitting here looking at her, looking at me, looking at her. Beautiful girl. No, it's a male. That's pretty awesome. Thank you, buddy. Thanks, guys. Same position as always. And of course I'm talking because they know my voice. That's why I'm doing that. But there it is. I would zoom in, but I got my hands frozen and I've been waiting for this to happen for a little bit, more than like 2 seconds. Of course, my normal. Nice, thanks, Red. Good job, buddy. Woo!